Good morning, my dear student. I am your social teacher. Okay. Today I am going to talk about this unit 8. Okay. And lesson also 8, that is this insurance. Okay. We are going to talk today about this insurance. Okay. Then what is insurance then? Okay. Insurance is a method of insuring. Okay. Insurance is the method of ensuring protection and compensation. Compensation means क्षतिपूर्ति. Okay. Of this loss or its damage. That is known as insurance. Okay, once again, my dear student, insurance is a method of ensuring protection and compensation. Okay, of the loss or is what the damage. Okay, there is two types of this insurance. Okay, one is life insurance, another one is this non-life insurance. Okay, at present, okay, according to the book, at present there are 25 insurance company in Nepal. Okay, among them 9 are this life insurance company, and there's 16 are non-life insurance company. Okay, and then what is life insurance then? Okay, life insurance is a protection against the financial loss. What? The financial loss that would result from this premature death of this insured. Okay, that is known as this life insurance. And next one is that is this non-life insurance. Okay, the non-life insurance means the insurance the insurance other than the life insurance, in which the insurance company provide what the compensation of this economic loss and provide what this protection. It also provide what the protection against the physical damage. What physical damage? That is known as non-life insurance. And another one is, my dear student, the most important is that differentiate between this life insurance and non-life insurance. It is very, very important for group B for 4 marks. Okay, so now listen to me here. What is the differences between life insurance and non-life insurance? The life insurance means that it insures the human life. We are talking right now about this what? The differences between this life insurance and non-life insurance. The life insurance means it insures the human life, that is, and the non-life insurance means it insures the people's property. That is the differences. And second difference is that life insurance, okay, it covers the risk. It covers what? The risk of this death of the insured. And non-life insurance means that it covers the various risks that may cause damage to someone's property. These are these differences between this life insurance and this non-life insurance. And third difference is that it is not renewed annually. Life insurance is not renewed annually, but non-life insurance is renewed annually. That is also the differences. And the amount is comparatively very high in this life insurance. And in non-life insurance, the amount, or you can say premium, is comparatively less than this life insurance. Okay, so these are the differences. Then what are these advantages of doing this insurance? Means that it makes the habit of compulsory saving. Listen me carefully, my dear student. It makes the habit of the compulsory saving in order to pay this premium. Okay, premium means bima kista. Okay, on this time. Okay, it makes our habit to save the money in time as a premium in this life insurance. That is the advantage. And second one is that compensation against loss or damage, means that we get what is compensation if there is any damage, if there is any loss. That is the advantage, that is the merits. Okay, that is the pros of this insurance. And third one is that it save our future. It save our what? The future. And next one is that bond is obtained. Bond means read. Bond means what? Read. That can be obtained. Okay, when we need. That is also the advantage of insurance. And next one is that investment can be made. Yes, investment can be made on productive field. When we receive our insurance, when the term is complete, then we can invest money of the insurance in the productive field. That is also this advantage. And loan can be obtained. Okay, when we need. These are these advantages of this insurance. Okay. Now another thing is that to be considered that while getting the insurance, what things should be considered. Insurance गर्नु भन्दा पहिले हामीले के कुराहरुमा ध्यान दिनुपर्छ. Now today first one is that select the suitable insurance company. Select what? Suitable insurance company. Second one is that be clear, okay, about this objective of the insurance. We must have to be clear about this insurance and be clear about this beneficiary. We must have to be clear about what this beneficiary. Go directly through the licensed insurance company, or can say licensed insurance agent. These things we must have to consider, or we must have to understand before doing this this insurance, and be clear about the amount of premium. We must have to be clear about what the amount of its premium, and inform the family member about the insurance that we made. We must have to inform to our family that we made this insurance company. Okay, receive the receipt of payment that we made. Okay, remember the due. We must have to remember what the due. Okay, of pay premium on this insurance in the time. Okay, and similarly we must have to keep the this document or receipt related to this insurances to make our insurance safe. So these are the things we must have to consider before doing this insurance. Okay, my dear student, this much for today. Again tomorrow I will come with the next topic. Thank you very much.